So here's a very quick look at our Genting suite. As you can see, it's quite spacious with a large sofa, and it also has large windows. So let's take a look at the lake view. Heading into the dining area, there's a large table for meetings, or you could get room service and eat it in here. The minibar is included in the price, and we had some beers, spirits and chocolate. In the kitchen area, there's a sink to the left, then there's a milk frother and an espresso machine. A selection of teas, instant coffees and hot chocolate, teacups, some biscuits, crisps, sugars and polo mints to freshen your breath. There's two fridges, one with waters and some UHT milks, the other empty. So just going back through the lounge to the first toilet, one of the many gadgets in the suite, automatic flush. Then there's the air conditioning temperature controls. A little dressing room here with an iron, ironing board, jewellery box and safe. There's a TV in the bathroom mirror, and the whole room is quite large. There's a double bath, and the second toilet is in here with a bidet. The shower was amazing, it has a rainfall head and side jets too. If you forgot anything, then there's some amenity kits, so we didn't need the toothpaste in the end. The Esper toiletries were good quality too. Finally moving from the bathroom to the bedroom. There's another TV on the wall, a table to the left of it, and as we walk round, another table and chairs to sit at. A large bed which is two singles put together. You have a view of the lake. It's a really amazing room, and feel really lucky. Thank you very much, John, for treating me like this.
Cheers.
Cheers.